The oil change. The most basic, important, and quintessential of auto services. As a vehicle owner and driver, you'll be tasked with having an oil change done more often than anything else for your ride, and for good reason. Motor oil keeps everything running smoothly under the hood, and changing it out for healthy oil is of utmost importance. While our auto service department at Toyota of North Charlotte is top-notch, we understand that it's a pain to have to schedule a change so often, so why not do it yourself? Step number 1, find the right oil. Your vehicle is unique, and that means it requires a specific oil and filter type and specific amount. Do your research beforehand and make sure you have the correct things before getting started. Step number 2, drain the oil. For this, you're going to need a socket wrench, oil pan, and very quick reflexes. Locate the oil reservoir under your car. It should be a large metallic box-looking part with a hole plugged by a screw. Place the oil pan underneath so the old oil has a place to go. Then, unscrew the drain plug and quickly get out of the way. Wait for it to finish draining out and then replug the reservoir. You can also take this time to unscrew the oil filter and replace it. Step number 3, add new oil. After that's all finished, it's time to add new oil. Your oil cap is located on top of your engine and labeled with a specific motor oil symbol. Unscrew the cap, use a funnel, and dispense the right amount of oil into the engine. After you've double-checked your filter, drain cap, and oil cap, start your engine. Let it run for several minutes, and then use the dipstick to check the condition and amount of oil in your tank. Easy peasy. If you have questions or would rather have one of our auto service techs help you out, visit Toyota of North Charlotte today at 13429 Statesville Road.